There it is, the Ender 3 V2 in progress. Look at it though. Look at it. It's pulling sideways and down. Look at the pressure. Look at that drop. Oh, look at her. She's fighting. Give me the PLA. It's like you're walking your dog and it's just pulling, 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 pulling. It's just, if you go with a nice smooth walk, it's just a much nicer experience. Look at that. It's just a straight down drop. Into there. Look at that brutal angle that's going in there. I mean, she's working fine. She's a champ. She knows what to do. But Jesus. Ender, what were you thinking? Simple problem, simple fix. Let's print it, build it, show you what to do. Alright, hop on Thingiverse. Thingiverse, you got it. Once you're there, type Ender 3 Filament Roller Guide. This is by Whole Speed. It's back from August of 2018. Look at this cool design. Check it out. So you're going to need... You're going to need to print this. You're going to need one of those and one of these. You're going to stick the bearing in that thing. Then you're going to have that, because you're going to put the two nubbies in there. Then you're going to stick the bearing in there with the screw. And then look at that magnificent angle that's going to be on a nice roll bearing coming into the machine. We're going to build it, test it, see if you like it. Once your printing is completed, you will have one of these. Boom. You will have two of these. Bang. Oh no. You'll have two of those. You'll have one of these. Those are the printed parts that you can print with your Ender 3 or other printer at home. You're then going to need to mosey on over to Amazon or your local skate shop or wherever you purchase things. Type in 608 bearing and they're going to pop up. There it is, a 20 pack for $12.99. You can get a 10 pack for $7.19. You can get all of these bearings, like a 10 piece. So it's the most common bearing you're going to see. I have a stack right here. And then you're going to need an M4, if we read the guide. You're going to need an M4 16mm bolts. Let's see what we can do. First step, we want to take your bearing, and then we're going to stick it in this thing. And we're going to try and do it. Alright, the brute force method did not work. Good that we printed two of these, just in case. So we have a brand new, fresh one. Still can't get it in. Oh. Guess I could go back and shave these tolerances down, or you can use your best friend. What is that? That's a heat gun. Gently heat it up. I'd even give it a little bit more. Gently. Gently. Don't want to deform it, just want to heat it up. Man, that sucker's in there. As you can see, she's still kind of coming out. So, brute force method in combination with the finesse method. And I think smooth through a combination of brute force and finesse. Smooth rolling bearing. Let's go put it together. Alright, now we're ready to go. You got that? See that right there? That guy. So we're going to take him and he's going to slide over there. Let's see if I can jimmy this camera up a second. Oh. There you go. Could probably be even pushed all the way on further. Let's see if we can do that with a little force. Now we come down, slight loop around, guiding in. Look at the nice loop. And there it is, printing away. Look at that angle, it's just better. Smoother entrance. Bearing's going to keep it smooth. We did it.